Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad geometric challenge, and here we have a nice right triangle whose area is 98 meters square, and the one angle is right angle and the other angle is x. So in this question we will find the value of this angle x. So here you see that this is right triangle, and we very well know about that the side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. So it means that this side is hypotenuse, and the side which join these two angles is known as the base. So it means that this side is called the base, and the last third side is known as the perpendicular or altitude. So here I can named our base as small a, and we named hypotenuse as small b, and we named perpendicular as small c. And in this question we are given that the value of this hypotenuse is 28. So we here we have these information about this right triangle, and now we move towards to find the value of this angle x. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first from the trigonometry, here you know that the value of cos x equals to base over hypotenuse. And here you see that our base is a and our hypotenuse is b. So here we put these two values, so it will be equals to a over b. And we have the value of b is 28, so we can substitute or plug this value here, and you will get the value of a equals to 28 times of cos x. So now in the next step, here we are given that the area of this right triangle is 98 meters square. So we use here the area, we use here the formula of area of right triangle is looks like in this form. So here we have area equals to half of the AB times of sine of the angle C. So this is the very famous formula of the area of triangle. Here we use the angle, which is, sorry, here you have our angle is x, so you write here just AB times of sine x. So we will use this formula by we can just take two sides, which is a and b, and we use the angle in which is make between these two sides, so it is the angle of x. So here you have this is the nice area formula of a right triangle, so that here we substitute or plug the values of a and b here, and we have the value of a is 28 times of cos x. So we put this value here and you get 28 times of cos x into, we have the value of b is 28, and this is sine of the angle x, and we are given that the area of this right triangle is 98 meters square, so we put this value here, this is 98. And now we can simplify the terms and we can move towards the values of x. So in the next step we will just simplify the terms, and here you see that these are cancelled by here. 2 times of 14 is 28, so we can write here 14 times of cos of x into, here you write this 28 as 14 times of 2 into sine of x, and in the left hand side we have 98. And now we will just rearrange the terms, and we write here as this is 14 times of 14, and we write in this form, and here you get 2 times of sine of the angle x into cosine of the angle x. So here you get the well-known double angle identity. So you know that the output of this is when you close or when you write the combination or closed form of this formula is 14 times of 14 into this is equals to sine of 2x. And now we divide 14 times of 14 in the left side, and you obtain 98 over 14 times of 14 equals to 14 times of 14 into sine of 2x over 14 times of 14. And now in the next step we make little bit simplifications here, and we see that in the left hand side we have 98 over 14 times of 14 equals to 196, and in the right hand side these two are gone by here, and you obtain sine of the angle 2x. So this implies that 98 2s are 196, so that here you get 1 over 2 equals to sine 2x. So this implies that because in this problem here we need to find the value of x, so that we will move this sine x, we move this sign only in the right hand, in the left hand side. So you get 2x equals to sine inverse of 1 by 2. And now you find the angle sine inverse of 1 by 2, and you easily get this angle. So sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equals to 30 degree, because you know that sine of 30 degree equals to 1 over 2 and sine inverse of 1 over 2 equals to 30 degree. So you get here 2x equals to 30 degree, and when we move this 2 in the right hand side, then you obtain the value of x. It is 13 degree over 2, and when we cancel these two terms, then you get the value of x is equals to 15 degree. So this is the value of x, and this is our final conclusion of this problem. So if you move in the right triangle, and you see that this angle it should be 15 degree. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.